If you're like me and you probably need to drink more water anyway, but you just like having a little bit of flavor to it, but you don't want to add its sugar, calories, and all that, this is something I highly recommend you trying out. And what this does, this saves water bottles, so you're not using a ton of water bottles. You just add water to this. This comes with 2 of these cartridges, these sip cartridges, and you can kind of see how it goes. You fill it up, put the fasten down on it, turn the dial, and then you drink it. And then 1 cartridge, each sip cartridge can flavor the equivalent of 6 20-ounce fully flavored. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 bottles. But then check out how nicely packaged this thing is. You can kind of see all of the nutritional facts. Basically, it has a little bit of sodium in it, some 0 sugar, 0 protein, it's a little bit of niacin, a little bit of vitamin C. So it's pretty much just a flavor. But look at how nicely presented this. This is one of the best presented water bottles I've ever seen in my life. And just kind of looking over this. Let me go ahead and take it out of the package. Number one, I can't go on enough about how nicely packaged this is. It comes out just like this. There's the bottle. Wow, that's a stainless steel bottle. Then you get 2 of these cartridges. Water. Look at that. Water you've been waiting for. What are you been waiting for? We have 75 plus. They have 75 flavors of this thing. And here's some of the flavors I have. I actually bought an additional one. This is the energy flavor. So this is the wild berry. And this one has the caffeine and antioxidants and B vitamins. 0 sugar, 0 calories, naturally flavored. You can kind of see right there. I don't think they show the caffeine. I think it's 35 milligrams of caffeine in these. So if you like me and you like a little bit instead of coffee, you can drink one of these. These right here, this is what came with the pink bottle here, the strawberry and the passion dragon fruit. What we're going to do, we're going to open the dragon fruit one. It has a very nice smell to it. And to adjust this, you're going to turn this dial. Actually, let me put it in there. So this screws on. What's inside the bottle? Anything done? This bottle is very premium filling. It's got the Cirkul logo on there. It comes in a wide variety of colors. This is the pink one here. I also have a black one, and I'm probably going to get a blue one. I want several of these things. One for, I got this as a gift to give to somebody. So you know what? I decided to get it in pink. The lid has a ring around it there. Very high quality. It's got a rubberized finish on that. This thing feels super premium, actually. Has a hook right there for hooking onto. You can see down in there. It is a stainless steel. I don't know if that's rubber. Yeah, that's got a rubber base on it. It has the logo on there. So you're going to put this on there like that. Put water in it. And then screw this down there. And then you just turn the dial. You're going to turn it just like this. So it looks like it goes from 9 to 1. Oh, 0. So 0 to 9. So let me go ahead and add some water to this thing, and let's see how this thing, let me give it a good taste test. Let's do that now. Okay, everybody, I have a Brita water filter in there, and what I did, I just filled it up with that, and you could see, I think it holds 32 ounces. Yeah, and then looking over this right here, let's just go ahead and tighten that up. This is a 32 ounce. Let's see how dry it is. So I'm going to leave it off. That's upside down. There is not a drip. The good thing is this is very nicely contained system. So you don't have to worry about anything. Shake it up. The lid works extremely well. Look at that, everybody. So let me go ahead and take the lid off. Actually, let me turn it all the way. Let's turn it on 1. Let me turn it on 1 and let's taste of it on 1. This press under. I don't think it locks into the handle. I guess it kind of locks a little bit into that thing. Let me taste of it. Okay, it does make a little popping noise because you have to kind of suck on it. When you, even with the lid off, it has a rubberized coating on it, kind of like a Camelback. So you almost have to kind of suck it through the thing. And this is the passion fruit. See that? It is, the lid's off and it's still not leaking. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on 9 because it was very faint. I could barely taste it. But let me put it on 9. Now let me try it. You know what? Like everything, I just go wide open. Oh, nine. That tastes actually really strong. It's like it's hard to, it doesn't have a sugar taste to it. It has, you ever have the little packets? It tastes just like the little packets that you would add to the water, but you're saving a lot on garbage of having to cut those little packets up. I can fill this up 6 times, I think. How many fill ups can you get out of this? I don't know. I think it said 620 fluid ounces. So we'll see. And I'm guessing what you'll do, you'll just keep going. I'm actually going to turn it down to like 5 and try it on 5 there. Oh, I see how it works. Look how you can hold the lid down right there. Oh, 5 was about perfect. 5 wasn't very strong, but it had a really nice flavor to it. This is something I think I'm going to be using a lot more. It's going to help me drink a lot more water. I can already tell you that. If I think this would be a great gift for maybe a kid or something that you just want them to drink more water, but you don't want them to have a lot of sugar or calories or something like that. Because here's what it's doing, everybody. It's not mixing the flavor. Check it out. That's just water in there. The flavor doesn't get mixed until it goes through the cartridge. So how cool is that? So it's not like mixing a flavor and then you get that ring down there. Like, look, that's still just filtered water in there. And I put that on there. And then the flavor doesn't get added until you actually drink out of it. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Cirkul water bottle. I'm definitely going to be using this more times than not. See you all in the next video.